Hello friends, this video is created by Siddharth Upadhyay, founder and creator of PrepWings. Log on to www.prepwings.com for complete free course videos. Okay, in this video, we'll cover an example for text completion with two blanks. Now, the question says that quantum physics is dash subject for most of the students. The more one studies the arcane subject, the more dash it becomes. Okay, so for blank 1 we have options: an easy, a deep, and an abstruse. So these are the three options for the first blank. For the second blank we have options: lucid, complicated, and clear. Okay, so these are the three options for the second blank. Now the sentence given to us is quantum physics is dash subject for most of the students. The more one studies the arcane subject, the more dash it becomes. Okay. Now if we look for the first blank, we can fill either easy or difficult, because we can say quantum physics is an easy subject, or we can say quantum physics is a difficult subject. Okay. But in the second part of the sentence, we say that the more one studies the arcane subject. So the subject is arcane. So quantum physics is an arcane subject. Arcane means mysterious. Okay. So quantum physics is a difficult subject then for most of the students, because if it is mysterious, it is difficult to understand, right? So the first blank should say a difficult. Now for the second blank, if you look at the second part of the sentence, it says the more one studies the arcane subject, the more dash it becomes. So now what it means is the more one studies the arcane subject or the mysterious subject, the more complex it becomes. It should be. Okay. So the second blank should basically take the idea forward. The more one studies the arcane subject, the more complex it becomes. Okay. So the second blank should be complex here. So our sentence should be quantum physics is a difficult subject for most of the students. The more one studies the arcane subject, the more complex it becomes. Okay, so this is our sentence now. Now the first blank is filled by a difficult and second blank is filled by complex here. So now looking at options, for first blank, an abstruse means a difficult. Okay, abstruse means something which is very difficult to understand. Okay, so an abstruse means difficult. So option C fits in perfectly for the first blank. Now for the second blank, complicated means complex. So option E fills perfectly for the second blank. Thus options C and E are the correct options. Okay. So this is how we solved this example. Thanks a lot for watching this video.